best day ever. I'll tell you why.
Hello, I'm your angel. This video is gonna be a little bit longer than usual, but I assure you, it'll be worth your time. Today is your best day ever because you're gonna change the way you've been attracting and manifesting your desired outcomes using the law of attraction forever. The secret I'm about to share with you comes from a Japanese billionaire, Mr. Saito. He's known as the wealthiest man in Japan and is also the highest taxpayer to date in the country. Anyway, he's been channeling God or the universe since he was a young boy. And for your information, if you've thought high school dropouts turning mega millionaires are amazing, this man didn't even go to high school. He often publicly jokes that he feels like a fraud when he says he's a junior high school graduate because he barely even went to that school either. For those of you who's using the law of attraction to manifest everything you desire, I know the biggest challenge you face is having doubt. Doubt and paying attention to the fact that you don't have something yet.
I've been waiting to manifest my soulmate for 3 years. I don't know. I have to stay positive. Stay in the vortex.
You want something because you don't have it. While it's completely natural to do, those two are the biggies that keeps pushing away your desired outcome so you can wait for it to finally manifest forever. Then, you become more prone to doubt. It's a vicious cycle, very frustrating to say the least. Some American popular teachers of law of attraction who talk about vortex and momentum say to control your negative feelings, but if you feel negative, it's kind of too late. You just need to let it subside with time. Think of something else that makes you feel good. Okay, put that idea down for a second. I know you are accustomed to think like that due to believing the teaching, but as with all things in the Earth's world, an idea can improve. Everything has been improving over time, otherwise you won't be watching this video on your smartphone while you are away from the desktop computer, right? Going back to the main subject, your mind is like weather. It's sunny, it's gloomy and dark, it's bright again, and it's raining and stormy again. It's impossible to live following its condition. Number one rule, do not let your mind be the CEO. If you follow your mind, you're gonna be in trouble forever. The mind has a boss. Let that boss manage the mind. And who is that boss? You're gonna be surprised. Your words. To be precise, your determination to use the power of words, like affirmations. But wait. I'm not just talking about Louis Hay and Dr. Wayne Dyer kind of affirmations. I know some of you have jumped to that idea right away. Somehow, affirmations got underrated by the law of attraction teachers who advocated that affirmation without believing in the words or feeling it don't work. Or worse, work against you. Ooh, that's so scary, right? This is simply not the case. It's totally okay to not feel the way your words are at first. This is the crucial point. If you wait for your mind to feel it, you're gonna be waiting for very, very long time. Let your mind follow your command with your spoken and written words. Because words you command is coming from your conviction, and conviction is coming from your higher self, your soul. In short, your soul is supposed to be the boss of you. Your soul knows why you're here. You're here to be happy, to be lucky, to appreciate, to be delighted, to be in a good mood, to thank and to forgive. Your crazy wild horse mind might tell you otherwise, but don't follow it. Say these powerful vibration raising, sucking you right into the vortex words. I love. I'm in luck. I'm delighted. I'm in a good mood. I'm grateful. Thank you. I'm happy. I forgive. These 8 phrases are karma cleanser. Think of them as a wiper on the windshield or the front window of your car. They will wipe away the negative memory from the past as they pop up. Don't worry, they will keep popping up. Just wipe them away each time. Say these words multiple times a day, out loud, best without any expectation. Just before you fall asleep, when you're relaxed, and also when you're angry, frustrated, likely to take a negative action or utter negative words to another, say them in your mind or out loud if possible. It will take you right back into the vortex if you like that terminology. Yes, no more waiting till tomorrow morning. Take an action because you are on an action-based planet. Yes, Earth is an action-based planet in a vibration-based universe. You see, there are layers like that. Action that is commanded by your soul, not your mind, is what you need to take. Do not misunderstand that you only need to feel good without an action to attract what you want. Because on this planet, you won't feel good without an action. Verbalizing words is an action, so take that first. Karma is not created by your thoughts alone. It's your action that goes along with it creates karma or a cause. I hope I've been able to make this extremely simple but profound knowledge digestible to you. You might want to watch this video a few more times to digest it. I love you very much. Have an awesome day or night.